Manish, the entire question of Narendra Modi and the SIT, is it your belief that the fact that questioning of Narendra Modi is now something which is happening, is justice moving forward or no?
Narendra Modi and his government presided over the worst massacre of the minorities which independent India has witnessed. It happened on his watch. So therefore,
is it the worst or is it the second worst after 1984?
We've discussed 1984
No,
also extensive, so therefore we will not go into that. All I'm saying is it had happened on his watch. As a chief minister, he cannot run away from that responsibility. Now, whether he was directly culpable, as some of us believe, that he and his government were responsible for actually orchestrating that massacre, or whether it was a systemic lapse, as some of his sympathizers or people who defend him would like us to believe, is something which the SIT has to really determine. And that's when the wheels of justice will move forward. So therefore, it is high time that he appear before the special investigating team. And in a certain sense, it's a travesty. Here is this person who's going absolutely on a bend and saying that he's being victimized, there's a conspiracy against him. But on the other hand, this is possibly for the first time that a sitting chief minister has been summoned for an investigation in a murder case. And not only the murder of an individual person, but a murder of an entire community which he presided over. And I think if he would have had even a little iota of decency in him, he should have stepped down from his constitutional position and then gone and appeared before the special investigating.
Jai Narayan Vyas, how do you respond to that?
Yes, I think Manish is deliberately complicating the matter, knowing fully well that what he is saying is lie, absolute lie, and nothing but lie.
Which part is a lie? Or is the whole thing a lie?
I'm coming to it. Number one is, would Manish testify on camera that he is summoned under a specific section of CRPC? Because he is saying that he is accused and therefore he should appear before the SIT.
Manish, quickly answer that before I come to the rest.
I think it's, I'm not here to quibble on technicalities. The fact that the special investigating team constituted by the Supreme Court has sent a notice to the Chief Minister of a state to appear for investigation in the case of murder, whether it is under 160 CRPC or it is just a notice on a plain, simple piece of paper, does not take away from the gravity of the matter at all.
This is nothing but an investigation that could have been done by any other police agency.
Okay, fine.
The fact it has not been done by any other police agency is because you have subverted the process of justice.
Okay, Manish, we heard you.
Actually, this complaint is very simple and it's a quite historic complaint. This complaint, 119 pages long, is a criminal complaint. It's a criminal complaint. It's a complaint that was first sent to the DGP of Gujarat. It was sent to the DGP by Zakia Ehsan Jafri and Citizens for Justice and Peace in June 2006. Then when the DGP for 1 year did not register a complaint, we went to the Gujarat High Court asking for a directive that please direct the registration of an FIR against Modi and 61 others. Thereafter, we went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court issued notice, and 10 months later, on the notice, it gave the entire investigation to the already existing SIT. So the point is, it is an investigation into mass murder and criminal conspiracy. You can't run away from that.
Tuba.com